This simple homemade plow was built for a small garden tractor. Many farmers and gardeners still prefer building their own tools instead of buying expensive equipment. My father is over 60 years old, but he still enjoys working with metal and creating useful tools for the garden. First, he sharpens the metal parts to create a strong cutting edge. A good plow blade needs to be sharp and strong so it can move easily through the soil. After preparing the metal, the parts are carefully assembled together. The design is simple, but sometimes the simplest tools work the best. This homemade plow can help loosen the soil and prepare the garden for planting. Tools like this save money and make work easier in small gardens. And there is also something special about using tools made with your own hands. Sometimes old farming knowledge and simple ideas can be more useful than modern machines. If you enjoy simple garden tools and practical farming ideas, follow the channel for more videos like this.